Defying the odds. China's economic engine keeps humming. China's economy continues to defy expectations. It shows resilience in the face of global uncertainty. The country posted a 5.4% growth in the first quarter of 2025. This impressive figure surpasses forecasts and demonstrates China's economic strength. The world is closely watching. The ongoing trade war with the Trump administration adds another layer of complexity. The escalating tensions and tit-for-tat tariffs have created a climate of uncertainty. Despite these challenges, China's economy continues to grow. This is a testament to the country's dynamic and adaptable economic policies. The 5.4% growth figure is not just a statistic. It represents the hard work and resilience of the Chinese people. It highlights the effectiveness of government policies aimed at stimulating domestic consumption and fostering innovation. China's ability to navigate these turbulent economic waters offers valuable lessons for other nations. This unexpected economic performance has surprised many analysts. They predicted a slowdown due to the trade war. However, China has proven its ability to weather the storm. The country's unwavering focus on growth and stability is a key factor in its success. This resilience is likely to continue shaping global economic trends for years to come. Fueling the growth. A look inside China's economic machine. What is driving China's economic growth? A key factor is the surge in domestic spending. Chinese consumers are increasingly confident. They are spending more on goods and services. This increase in domestic consumption is a powerful engine for economic growth. Another significant contributor is the impressive rebound in tech exports. China has emerged as a global leader in technology and innovation. The demand for Chinese tech products remains strong worldwide. This has boosted exports and contributed to the overall economic growth. Government stimulus measures have also played a crucial role. Targeted investments in infrastructure and key industries have created jobs and stimulated economic activity. These strategic interventions have helped to mitigate the negative impacts of the trade war. Furthermore, China has been actively diversifying its trading partners. This strategic move reduces reliance on any single market. By strengthening ties with other countries, China ensures a steady flow of trade and investment. This diversification strategy is proving to be a wise move in the face of protectionist policies elsewhere. Tit for tat, the trade war, and its global ripple effects. The trade war between the United States and China has created significant uncertainty in the global economy. The Trump administration's imposition of tariffs on Chinese goods has been met with reciprocal tariffs from Beijing. This ongoing trade dispute has consequences for both countries and the wider world. The tariffs have increased the cost of goods for businesses and consumers on both sides of the Pacific. This has led to inflation and reduced purchasing power. The trade war has also disrupted supply chains, forcing companies to seek alternative suppliers and navigate complex trade routes. The uncertainty surrounding the trade war has made businesses hesitant to invest and expand. This has slowed economic growth in both the United States and China. The trade dispute has also fueled geopolitical tensions, creating a climate of distrust and instability. The trade war's impact extends far beyond the US and China. Global markets have experienced volatility as investors react to the latest developments in the dispute. Countries that rely heavily on trade with either the US or China have been particularly vulnerable to the negative economic consequences of the trade war. Section 4. Challenges on the horizon. Navigating uncertain economic waters. Despite its impressive growth, China's economy faces several challenges. The property sector, a significant driver of economic growth in recent years, is experiencing a crisis. Falling property prices and a slowdown in construction activity pose risks to overall economic stability. High unemployment, particularly among young people, is another pressing concern. The government is implementing policies to create jobs and provide opportunities for young graduates. However, addressing this issue remains a significant challenge. The trade war with the United States continues to cast a shadow over China's economic outlook. While China has taken steps to mitigate the impact of tariffs, the ongoing dispute creates uncertainty and could hinder future growth. Moreover, rising levels of government debt are raising concerns about China's long-term financial stability. The government's efforts to stimulate the economy have led to increased borrowing. This raises questions about the sustainability of China's current economic model. Section 5. Global markets on edge. The China factor looms large. China's economic performance has significant implications for global markets. As the world's second-largest economy, China's growth or slowdown can impact global trade, investment, and commodity prices. Investors and businesses around the world closely monitor developments in the Chinese economy. The Forex market is particularly sensitive to changes in China's economic outlook. The value of the Chinese yuan can fluctuate based on economic data and government policies. These fluctuations can affect currency exchange rates and international trade. Commodities markets are also heavily influenced by China. As a major consumer of raw materials, China's demand for oil, copper, and other commodities can drive global prices up or down. Changes in China's economic growth can have a ripple effect on commodity-producing countries worldwide. Furthermore, China's growing middle class and its increasing purchasing power are creating new opportunities for businesses worldwide. Companies in sectors such as consumer goods, technology, and tourism are eager to tap into the vast Chinese market. Section 6. The road ahead, charting a course through trade turbulence. The trade war between the United States and China is just one of many challenges facing the global economy. Geopolitical uncertainty, climate change, and technological disruption are all creating a complex and unpredictable landscape for businesses and investors. Navigating these challenges requires careful planning, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace change. Businesses need to diversify their supply chains, explore new markets, and invest in innovation to stay ahead of the curve. Governments around the world must work together to address global challenges and create a more stable and predictable economic environment. This includes promoting free trade, investing in education and infrastructure, and addressing climate change. The future of the global economy is uncertain, but China will undoubtedly play a pivotal role. The country's economic performance, its policy choices, and its relationships with other nations will shape the global landscape for years to come.